Hi, welcome back to another tutorial video, and I know you know what we're going to be doing today. Yes, we are going to change this dry looking baby into a juicy moisturized sweetheart. That's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, I am really excited about this tutorial. Like, see the way my hair is looking so dry, and it's going to change into something highly moisturized. Like, god, it's the things our hair can do for me. So the first thing you want to do is lather your hair with a leave-in conditioner or spritz your hair with water, because you don't want to apply cream or oils on dry hair. That's not how it works. So we are going to be doing the LOC method. Unfortunately for me, I don't have oil, so I'm just going to do LC. That's leave-in conditioner and cream. And I noticed that my hair loves grays. I thought my hair at some point did not like grays, but it does, and grays conditions my hair in a very crazy way. So I'm going in now. After applying my leave-in conditioner on my hair, I am going in with a coconut cream. A coconut cream. It's called Blue Magic conditioner, coconut oil conditioner. So I'm just going to apply that through my hair thoroughly, from the tip of my hair to the root of my hair, because you know breakage or splitage starts from the tip of our natural hair, so you have to care for the tip of your hair. See how my hair is looking so pretty. God, see those curls. Like, I never knew I had curls that much. I thought, okay, the front of my hair just curls sometimes and the back just stays, but look at my hair. Oh my god. So apply as much as possible. Apply this cream thoroughly to your hair. If your hair likes coconut oil, apply it to your wet hair, not to your dried hair. Okay, I am just amazed at how this is looking already. Like, my hair is looking juicy. Like, see my hair. My god, it's looking really nice. So okay, don't mind me. I am just so excited about the whole thing and the turnout. So after applying my coconut oil to my hair, or coconut cream rather, to my natural hair, I'm going to go in with the Blue Magic hair grease. That I'm going to show you guys. This is Blue Magic hair and scalp conditioner, and it conditions my hair. It stays in my hair for about 3 days, 4 days, and my hair won't actually dry out. It's going to be there. It stays consistent. Like, sweetheart, it works like magic. Just like its name. So apply this to your hair once again thoroughly. Just apply it to your hair, massage it to your scalp if you want to. Just apply this baby to your hair from the tip of your hair to the root of your hair. Just apply it thoroughly and you're good to go. That's it. Don't forget leave-in conditioner or water. If your hair likes water, then apply it. And this is it. This is what my hair is looking like, moisturized, not a dry looking baby you saw from the first clip. This is it, moisturized, looking all beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.